My name is Prakash and I am seeker of meditation. In this channel, I would like to talk about a few things that I know about meditation, hypnotherapy and mindfulness. First, I would like to mention my online courses you can find on my website Energy. I believe that knowing and understanding meditation and mindfulness is the foundation to being able to take control of your life. Better equip yourself with the tools to manage stress. These courses are designed to give you hands-on guidance and insight into what it takes to have mastery over your life. Build genuine well-being through calming your mind and body. Secondly, I would like to talk about mental health among young people. I understand it's easy to overcome these issues, but I offer face-to-face and online hypnotherapy services. Hypnotherapy has been proven to be a great way to reduce stress. I have training in specialized areas such as anxiety, depression, phobias, and trauma, so it will be tailored specifically for you. So if meditation or mindfulness coach are in need of some stress management, you have come to the right place. Join me on this journey into and practice the science of meditation, mindfulness, and hypnotherapy, physical health or well-being. Remember that practice makes perfect, and with dedication, create lasting change. I would like to thank you for watching this and request you to experience